Have you been seeing ads for Luxgrove's Leather and Furniture Repair Salve and wondering whether it's actually worth buying or just another restoration product making big promises? According to the official website, Luxgrove's main product is a leather and furniture repair salve designed to restore leather furniture, reduce the appearance of scratches, improve dryness, and help older furniture look newer. The company highlights customer testimonials showing dramatic before and after results on sofas, chairs, boots, cabinets, and other leather goods. Let's take a closer look at what Luxgrove offers and whether the available evidence supports its claims. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. It should not be taken as shopping, legal, or financial advice. Always do your own research before purchasing from any online store or platform. The website operates through Shopify, provides contact information, refund policies, and lists customer support details. The domain getluxgrove.com was registered in September 2024, which means it is not a brand new website. While it's still relatively young, it has been online long enough to establish some customer history. Looking at customer feedback, the picture is mixed but generally more balanced than many viral restoration products. Several verified buyers report positive experiences. Some users say the salve helped reduce water stains on wood furniture, improve the appearance of worn leather recliners, and restored flexibility to older leather items such as saddles and boots. Other reviewers mention that scratches became less noticeable and dull finishes appeared refreshed after application. However, not every customer saw the same results. Some negative reviews indicate that the product did little to repair surface scratches, while others reported that improvements faded after several days. One reviewer specifically stated that they saw no noticeable change on their leather furniture despite following the instructions. This difference in customer experiences is important because it suggests that results may depend heavily on the condition of the furniture, the material being treated, and the user's expectations. Another point worth noting is the marketing language. The website features strong testimonials and impressive before and after stories. While these examples may be genuine customer experiences, they represent best-case outcomes rather than guaranteed results for every buyer. Based on the available information, Luxgrove appears to be a real e-commerce store selling an actual furniture and leather care product rather than an anonymous website with no business details. However, the product should be viewed as a maintenance and restoration aid, not a miracle repair solution capable of permanently fixing every scratch, stain, or damaged surface. So, is Luxgrove worth trying? If you're looking to improve the appearance of dry leather, refresh older furniture, or reduce minor cosmetic wear, the product may be worth considering based on the customer feedback available. But if you're expecting severe damage, deep scratches, or heavily worn furniture to look completely new again, it's wise to keep expectations realistic.